viewers, welcome to Ramana Sir Physics channel. For NEET exam, more 30 days only. How to get 120 marks in these 30 days? Okay, in this class, I'll explain detailedly how to get 120 plus marks in these 30 days. Okay, in my 20 years of experience, I analyzed from which topics they are asking more questions. So many students past 20 years of my experience, they got MBBS, BDS, other medical courses, and as well as engineering courses also they got seeds. So they learn by easy method. They scored good marks in all competitive examinations and they got let's start now. Here the first topic is units and measurements. First topic is units and measurements. Units and measurements. Units and measurements. So from this topic, units and measurements based on dimensions, compulsory one question and errors. Percentage errors. Units and measurements. Okay, first one is dimensions. Based on dimensions, one topic compulsory and errors, percentage errors. Based on percentage error, another question. The two questions compulsory from units and measurements. From units and measurements. Okay. The second topic motion in a straight line. The second topic is what? Motion in a straight line. From motion in a straight line, equations of motion. Based on equations of motion, compulsory questions. So you know that equations of motion, how many are there? 4. So that are v equal to u plus at, s equal to ut plus half at square, and v square minus u square equal to 2as, and sn is equal to u plus a into n minus half. Equations of motion. Equations of motion and vectors. The mainly vector product. Vector product. In vectors, you know that dot product or scalar product, vector product or cross product. From cross product or vector product question compulsory. So like the torque, find the torque, the position vector of the radius and force vector they'll ask the torque. So like that only angular momentum. Okay, so let's some example are given. Okay, next one, third one, motion in a plane. Motion in a plane topic. The projectile topics. The projectile topics are most important topics. Projectile, based on projectile, they'll ask the questions. So like maximum height, range, time of flight, one dimension, okay, two dimension. So they'll ask the question. Okay, so next one, the fourth one, work energy power. From work energy power, another question will ask work energy and power questions. Based on work and energy power, compulsory one question. Afterwards, system of particles and rotation motion. So in that about center of mass, okay, and angular velocity, angular acceleration. The fifth one, okay, system of particles and rotation motion. System of particles and rotational motion. Rotational motion. In this about center of mass, okay, like xcm, ycm, center of mass problems and angular velocity, angular acceleration, center of mass problems, and angular velocity, angular acceleration, angular velocity. So like angular acceleration, angular velocity, and angular acceleration. Okay, problems they lost out of us. Okay, next one, mechanical properties of solids. Mechanical properties of solids. Mechanical properties of solids. So in this about modulus of elasticity. In modulus of elasticity, like Young's modulus, bulk modulus, rigidity modulus, questions they'll ask. Modulus of elasticity, modulus of elasticity. In this Young's modulus, bulk modulus, Young's modulus. Okay, so bulk modulus. In this about Young's modulus, Young's modulus. Next, bulk modulus and rigidity modulus. Okay, so Y denoted by symbols are Y, N, okay, Y, K, and eta. Young's modulus is denoted by symbol what? Y, and bulk modulus is K, and rigidity modulus is what? Eta. So based on this, one question compulsory. So out of us, okay, from heat chapters, okay, from heat chapters, another question, okay, based on heat chapter, another question they'll ask. And afterwards, waves question from waves. So like formation of stationary waves in stretched string. Stretched string stage, okay, about the harmonics they'll ask, and overtones, harmonic and overtones they'll ask, in as well as open pipe, closed pipe. Okay, string problems, and open pipe, open and closed pipes, and Doppler effect, and Doppler effect. Okay, string problems, open pipe and closed pipe, then Doppler effect topics they'll ask. The ninth one, ray optics. Ninth one is ray optics. From ray optics, a critical angle, total internal reflection. Okay, critical angle and total internal reflection, and microscopes like simple microscope, compound microscopes, and mirror problems they are asking. Okay, critical angle, okay, and microscopes, and mirror problems they'll ask from ray optics. Like that only wave optics, YDSE, Young's double slit experiment. In wave optics, YDSE, it is what? Young's double slit experiment problems compulsory, regularly they are asking. So previous questions, if you observe, every paper compulsory about Young's double slit experiment questions are there. So then the 10th one, electricity. From electricity, electric charges and field, electric charges and field, electric charges and field. So in this about the electric dipole questions like axial line or equatorial line and couple acting on electric dipole. So the type of questions they are asking. So later electrostatic electrostatic potential and capacitance, electrostatic potential and capacitance, potential and capacitance. So about capacitance problems like parallel plate capacitor, there is capacitors in series and parallel, diagram based questions chances from electrostatic potential and capacitance. Then electricity, current electricity, then current electricity, then current electricity. So from this chapter, current electricity, the resistors, the combination of resistors in series, parallel, and meter bridge problems are chances. Okay, and color code questions. Okay, resistors, series, and parallel, and color code questions they'll ask from. Okay, so current electricity lesson, color code questions. Remember that. So the next classes I'll give about the easy method to remember the color codes. Okay, easy method I'll give. Color code question topic I'll explain in next videos by easy method how to remember color codes. Okay, by easy method how to remember I'll give in the next class. Okay, so here 12th one, 13th one, moving charges and magnetism. Moving charges and magnetism. From moving charges and magnetism, so like Bayes-Savart law, Ampere's law questions. Okay, next solenoid questions regularly they are asking. Okay, they are asking solenoid questions. They are asking solenoid questions. They are asking. So later magnetism and matter, about magnetic field. From moving charges and magnetism, solenoid topics are they are asking. Then magnetism and matter, about magnetic field they are asking. Magnetism and matter, about magnetic field they are asking questions. Okay, so then electromagnetic waves, electromagnetic waves, they are asking sequence of waves they are asking. Okay, sequence of waves they are asking from electromagnetic waves. So then the 16th one, dual nature. Okay, 16th one, dual nature. So these are the scoring chapters from dual nature onwards, scoring chapters. Okay, modern physics like dual nature, atoms, nuclei, semiconductors, and okay, semiconductors, still semiconductors, including semiconductors, logic gates are there. So these all under modern physics. Easily you can answer the questions from modern physics. Which type of questions are asking, I'll explain detailedly. Okay, from modern physics, first one, dual nature. Okay, so first one is what in modern physics, dual nature. From dual nature, photoelectric effect. Based on photoelectric effect questions they are asking, like Einstein photoelectric equation E equal to phi naught plus Ke max. Based on that questions they are asking photoelectric effect. At the same time, de Broglie wavelength. De Broglie wavelength numericals also they are asking from dual nature lesson. Okay, I am writing here photoelectric effect, photoelectric effect, photoelectric effect, and de Broglie wavelength. De Broglie, about de Broglie wavelength questions they are asking. Okay, so afterwards nuclei. Okay, before nuclei we'll discuss the atoms. Atoms. So from atoms they are asking Bohr's model. Based on Bohr's model and hydrogen spectral series problems they are asking. Okay, Bohr's model and hydrogen spectral series. Bohr's model and hydrogen spectral series. Hydrogen spectral series. Bohr's model and hydrogen spectral series questions they are asking. Okay, so next nuclei. Next nuclei. From nuclei, the radioactive decay law problems and natural radioactivity like emission of alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays. For example, a certain nuclei emitted alpha so and so, some particular alpha rays are emitted, beta rays are emitted. So it convert to which element? From one element to another element, how it converts? So this type of questions they are asking. Okay, radioactive decay law, main about the radioactivity they are asking radioactive decay law. So like emission of alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays, so what changes happens in their nuclei they are asking from nuclear lesson. The next one, semiconductors. Semiconductors in modern physics, last one, semiconductors. Okay, from semiconductors like p-n junction diodes, about p-n junction diode numericals they are asking, or some diagrams they are giving, and from the diagram they are asking the questions. P-n junction diodes, about p-n junction diodes, and most important final one, logic gates. About logic gates, like AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, combination of gates, circuit diagrams they are giving. Okay, from the circuit diagram output inputs they'll give, we have to find out the output value, or sometimes one logic gate they are giving. So four options like truth tables they are giving. Okay, they are asking find the suitable truth table for given circuit diagram. Especially for logic gates, I'll make one video very detailedly. I'll make one video. Okay, if you subscribe, so you'll get the notifications. Okay, so in the next class compulsory I'll cover these all topics. It is okay, very useful to your 30 days preparation of NEET examination. Okay, all the best.